Why are late payments so hard to remove from a repo? Well, the main reason that they're hard to remove from a repo is generally you still owe money on that repo. One of the ways that we get debt removed from your credit report or late payments removed from your credit report is by threatening to sue or take legal action against that creditor. And if you owe money to the creditor, they're less likely to respond to our threats of suing them because they know that if we sue them, we have to pay the filing fees and the court fees. And they're like, well, you owe us $10,000 for this car, and you're going to sue me for $2,000. Okay, you pay the $1,500 in court fees, and we'll show up to court. And if we lose, we still get a judgment against you for the $10,000. And so that's how they look at it. So when you owe money, whether it's a credit card, a collection, or a repo, it's less likely for them to remove it if you owe them money, which is why we have our debt settlement program, is we want to settle that debt to speed up the process of getting it removed and prevent you from being sued in the future.